Next, the angle of elevation of a cloud from point h meters above a lake is theta. Means what? See, this is a lake, then there is a height h. Now if I stand here and look at the cloud, then the angle of elevation is theta. Okay. The angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is 45 degrees. Means I am standing here only and I am looking at the shadow of this shadow, in fact reflection we can call it, not shadow, reflection of this cloud in the river, in the water, and then this angle is 45 degrees. Okay. Now the height of the cloud is, means I have to find this height a, means from here, not only from here, I have to find this h also, means h plus a is the required answer for me. Okay. So what is given? 45 is given. So let's start. Look at this problem properly. See here, look at the differences. I am standing above at height h and then I am getting the angle of 45 degrees. Okay. So tan of 45 equals to, see this. Now look at this properly. Tan means this total opposite upon adjacent, right? AB. Okay. This is AB, means this AB and this H and this point H are same. So this opposite is what? See this. This is A plus H. How? See here. From this water, this height is H and this is further height is A. So the reflection will be for the full, right? A plus H. So that's why it is A plus H below the water. Now tan 45 is what? A plus H, right? The whole upon AB, right? This AB adjacent. Okay. Now tan 45 we know, that is 1. Therefore AB equals to A plus H, that is A plus 2H. Okay. Now we got AB, A plus 2H. Okay. Now tan theta equals to what? A upon AB, right? That is A plus 2H. Therefore A plus 2H, let's solve this. A plus 2H equals to A upon tan theta, right? Okay. So make this cot theta. Therefore A plus 2H equals to A cot theta, right? So take A on the other side. A cot theta minus A equals to 2H, right? Okay. Take A common. A into cot theta minus 1 equals to 2H. Therefore A equals to 2H upon cot theta minus 1. That is the required answer. We want it in terms of H and theta. Okay. Now in exam, if it is given in terms of cot theta, keep it as it is. If it is given in terms of tan theta, then convert this cot to 1 upon tan, then solve it. Tan will go up, 2h tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Now if it is given in terms of sine and cos, then you will have to solve this again, sine and cos. So cot will be what? Cos upon sine, then multiply this sine and this sine goes up, 2h sine theta upon cos theta minus sine theta. Now that depends on what your answer is in the exam. Okay. Check that and solve it accordingly then. So you have got A now. But is our answer complete? No. What we want, height of the cloud is A plus H. This A plus H, right? So A plus H, 2H upon cot theta minus 1 plus H. Now it's just a solution. Solving it. 2H into 2H plus H cot theta minus H, right? Cross multiply this upon cot theta minus 1 equals to H into 1 plus cot theta upon cot theta minus 1. Therefore, see here, it all depends on what are the options given to you in the exam. Depending on that, you will have to solve it further. So H into cot theta plus 1 cot theta minus 1, convert this to tan. So H into 1 upon tan theta plus 1 upon 1 upon tan theta minus 1. Solve this, tan theta gone, 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Therefore answer is H into 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. That's what. See here, if it is given in terms of cot theta, then keep it in terms of cot theta. If it's in terms of tan theta, keep it in terms of tan. If it's in the terms of sine cos, check what are the options given to you in the exam. Depending on that, you will have to solve it further. Okay. So this is the final answer. H into 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. That is the height of the cloud above the lake level, means ground level. We don't have to find the height above this H level. We have to find it from the water level. Okay. Next, a person observed the angle of elevation of a top of a tower as 30 degrees. Okay. He walked 10 meters towards the foot of the tower along the ground level and found the angle of elevation of the top of the tower as 60 degrees. Okay. Find the height of the tower. Okay. See here, what is given? He is standing here looking at the top of the tower, that is 30 degrees. Now he walks 10 meters, then looks at the top, it is 60 degrees. Now we have to find what? H. Okay. So this is 60, this is H, this is we don't know, we'll take it A. Okay. So tan 30 equals to what? H upon 10 plus A, right? Opposite upon adjacent. Tan 60 equals to what? H upon A. Now we know what tan 30 and 60. Therefore, consider this 60. Therefore, A equals to H upon tan 60. That is root 3. Therefore, H upon root 3. Tan 30 equals to what? H upon 10 plus A. What is A? We have just now found out H upon root 3. Okay.